What's invisible, unstoppable, and bends reality, not your Monday a black hole. These cosmic vacuum cleaners are more than just empty spots in space. They warp time and light, defy our laws of physics, and teach us about the limits of the universe. And they might even help us understand where the stuff of the universe came from in the first place. You might think that a black hole is just an empty spot in space where nothing can escape, not even light. But that means that nothing can enter a black hole either. It's like trying to pour water into an empty glass that has no bottom. The idea of pouring water into an empty bottomless glass might seem a little silly, but it's actually pretty close to what happens at a black hole. When something gets too close to a black hole, gravity starts to pull it toward the center or singularity of the black hole. But as it gets closer, the gravity gets stronger and stronger until it's impossible for anything, including light, to escape. So while you might think that nothing could possibly get inside a black hole, that's not quite true. It's just that once something crosses the point of no return, called the event horizon, it can never come back out again. Here's the thing. While nothing can escape a black hole, it doesn't mean that black holes are some kind of cosmic vacuum cleaner. That's because as something approaches a black hole, it doesn't just get pulled in, it also gets stretched out. This stretching effect is so strong that it literally pulls the thing getting pulled into the black hole apart atom by atom. When something crosses the event horizon, we can never see what happens to it. But we can see what happens to light around a black hole. When light gets too close to a black hole, it too gets stretched out. This stretching makes the light look blue shifted, or shifted toward the blue end of the color spectrum. The closer the light gets to the event horizon, the more blue shifted it becomes. But there's a limit to how blue shifted light can get. Eventually, the light gets so blue shifted that it becomes completely dark. And when that happens, we can't see anything at all, not even the black hole itself. So black holes don't just suck things in, they also stretch things out and distort light in ways that we never see anywhere else in the universe. That's why studying black holes helps us learn about the limits of physics. We can see how gravity works in ways that we never could have imagined before. By studying black holes, we're pushing the limits of our understanding of the universe. And who knows what we might find out next. In fact, black holes might help us understand where all the stuff in the universe came from in the first place. That's because black holes can't actually be destroyed. They might disappear from view, but they'll always be there, waiting for us to discover their secrets. And speaking of secrets, we have a secret to share with you. We've been hiding something from you. We know that you've always wanted to know what happens inside a black hole, and we've been keeping it from you. But now, we're going to tell you. Are you ready? Here goes. Even in the darkest places, we find light. Wasn't that magical? We love surprising you with what we have planned each week, but we also want to make sure you're surprised when you hit that subscribe button. That's because we're not really a science channel. We're a storytelling channel. And we believe that science is the greatest adventure of all. Every week, we take you to a different corner of the cosmos to explore the amazing things that exist out there beyond our world. From black holes to the Big Bang, we bring the universe to you in under a minute. So if you're ready to join us on this incredible journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll get a new adventure every week, and you won't miss a single episode. You'll all be joining a community of over 1 million other space cadets who are just as excited about the universe as we are. And if you like what you heard today, be sure to hit the like button. That helps us reach even more people with our stories about the amazing things that exist in our universe. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join us on our mission to explore the unknown. Who knows what adventures await?